Cough. Okay, well, this is gonna be a really quick video because it's just a shout out to my little brother, Brock, and he's starting his own YouTube channel, and I am helping him, and I'm just trying to help him get subscribers. So, please, it would mean the world to me if you would just subscribe to him, and, cough. And, so yeah, I will put his username down in the description. So yeah, once again, it would mean the world to me if you would just subscribe to him. So, yeah. Thank you. And